As you sow, so shall you reap. Akbar had a courtier named Sultan. He wanted his son to become the royal treasurer. But Akbar and Birbal did not want this, as Sultan's son was a rogue. Sultan thought, if I turn the emperor against Birbal, my son can become the royal treasurer. One day, Birbal was late for the court. Sultan whispered to Akbar, Your Majesty, Birbal is becoming careless day by day. Punish him. Akbar knew about Sultan's intentions, but he asked, How? Sultan said, Say no to all that Birbal asks. Birbal said, I'm sorry, my wife is ill. I had taken her to the doctor. Akbar replied, No, I don't believe you. Birbal saw Sultan smiling and understood what had happened. Birbal asked, Shall we discuss work? Akbar replied, No. Birbal asked, May I go home? Akbar said, No. Then Birbal said, Will you appoint Sultan's son as the royal treasurer? Akbar said, No, and winked at Birbal. Royal Fisherman. One day, Akbar's guards brought a man to the court and said, Your Majesty, this granary officer was caught taking bribes. Akbar said, Put him in prison. Another courtier said, Your Majesty, let him count the waves of the Yamuna. Akbar agreed. After a few days, Akbar asked Birbal, What about that corrupt granary officer? Is he still taking bribes? Birbal said, Your Majesty, we won't know unless we find out for ourselves. Akbar and Birbal disguised themselves as fishermen and were walking on the banks of the Yamuna when the officer saw them. What are you doing here? He roared. Sir, we are poor fishermen. We have come to cast our nets. Well, you cannot. You disturbed me while I was performing an important task. Pay me a fine of 200 coins. Akbar said, You will be jailed for this. Akbar's guards caught the officer and imprisoned him. The White Elephants. One day, a washerman's donkey broke the pitchers of his neighbor, a potter. The washerman paid for the broken pitchers. The potter accepted the money. But he was wicked. So he went to Akbar and said, Your Majesty, I had a guest from a distant country. The elephants in that country are clean and white. Akbar said, I shall ask all the washermen to bathe my elephants. The potter said, My neighbor, the washerman, can do a great job. The washerman asked Birbal, No matter how much I clean, the elephants will not turn white. What shall I do? Birbal whispered his plan. Next day, the washerman told Akbar, If the potter gives me a huge pot to bathe the elephants, I can make them white. The potter made a huge pot, but it broke when the elephant stepped into it. Akbar thundered, Make a strong pot. The potter apologized and begged Akbar for forgiveness. Angry words. One day, Akbar caught a dishonest officer cheating his subjects. He was angry and upset. Just then, his servant told him, Your Majesty's horse has run away from its stable, and I cannot find it anywhere. Akbar said, You deserve to die. The servant trembled from head to toe. Birbal saw this, and he knew this was not fair. So he said, Your Majesty, the horse has run away, and it will come back sooner or later. But the servant's life will be gone forever. Please pardon him. Akbar said, Birbal, when I am angry, I will only do the opposite of what needs to be done. Birbal immediately said, Your Majesty, you are right. This servant is a careless man who cannot find your horse. It is good that you have punished him with a death sentence. Akbar realized that he had spoken in anger and pardoned the servant. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.